Good morning, everyone. Here we are into remote learning for biology, week number 2. And I thought it might be helpful if we could get all this stuff organized and put it into a neat little package. So I created a parent and student guide to help you keep track of all your biology stuff. So let's take a walk through it and see what we have. Well, you've probably heard a little bit about Google Classroom. This is it, the infamous Google Classroom. All of our stuff will be filtered through this site. I can make daily posts, which I do, that will include what's going on for the day, any announcements that I need to remind them of, and also any materials that I need to have attached will be able to be clipped in here right at the bottom of the announcement. So it's pretty handy in that sense. The daily agenda reminders, here's an example of one I posted on Friday, and that basically gave everybody a really good idea of what we're supposed to find or have to be organized. And particularly this year, for this session of remote learning, we're going to really be focusing on an online learning site called Khan Academy. So one of the posts that we had on Google Classroom was a link to Khan Academy where students could log in and create their own ID. So what that is it is a source of like a textbook, only it's got videos and notes and things like that, and we're going to be using that as our underlying resource for most of the time that we're doing our remote learning. So one of the things that's kind of cool about this Khan Academy is I can keep track of the students and how much time they have spent. As you can see in this chart here, the total learning minutes for various students is different, obviously. And then I can see individual students' actual assignments over here, the date that they completed them, and what they did, how much time was spent. So this student spent a total of 69 minutes on the assignments that I had asked, whereas this student only spent a total of 15 minutes. So Google Classroom is a great place for me to keep everything sorted out. So we will use this, and this is what you should be checking. So you'll be looking for daily posts every day on Google Classroom. You'll be looking for the lesson slideshow for the week. I'm going to put together one slideshow for the week, and that will be attached in there. Khan Academy assignment modules will be reminders that they'll be on, that they're coming up due. And I'm grading you on the Khan Academy stuff, more on the fact of that you're putting some effort into it. Then on Thursdays, we'll have a video conference. That's like our class discussion, which will be at 10 o'clock in the morning. Invitations will be sent in the email, as well as there'll be a post on Google Classroom for you to just click on and enter our video conference. Towards the end of the lesson, which goes throughout the week, will be a checkpoint quiz. And that definitely will be graded. It'll be posted on Google Classroom. Students will have to use their Chromebooks because it'll be locked so that only Chromebooks can access it. And so if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to email me at any time. I check it regularly. I hope that was helpful. And this remote learning thing, it's definitely a challenge from my end. I'm sure it's a challenge on your end, but we're in it together. We'll get through this. Just remind each other to wash your hands, don't touch your face. Be healthy. Take care, everyone.